Alabama. There's a special place in Alabama called Muscle Shoals. If you know about it, make some noise. So y'all know music, okay? So Boy Vance made this song, and then we had some people to remake it, okay? People like her and Ed Sheeran. Okay, so we might have an idea what song we're talking about, huh? Okay. So this one is called Make It Rain. We're gonna do this for y'all. I hope y'all have a good time and enjoying it, okay? Yes, yes. My soul and the pain of my mother will not let me go. Will not let me go. Well, I know you can so far from the sky to refine the purest of kings.